All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Good morning, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning into another little morning stream day. We are back from vacation. We're back with these pre-market analysis streams. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's see what we got on the price action. Let's see what price did overnight, and let's see where we want to go and what we want to see. So right now, I'm just kind of doing a little outline for those in our Discord. Just looking at these 5-minute charts, looking at the hourly chart, right? 15-minute chart. Those charts that I like to look at in terms of what we have and what is happening. In terms of news, we have Powell speaking right at market open at 7:30, and then after that we got never mind. Today we got nothing. Powell speaks tomorrow at 7:30. Oh my God, let me write that down. Wait, messed up. Powell is tomorrow. Today no news. Today is a free day for price to do whatever it wants until the end of the month. Right, that's the only thing that we need to be cautious of, and something that we need to be mindful of is the end of the month today. So they can do whatever they want into this end of month close. They can either close it really strong or they can close it kind of shit, kind of kind of man. Let's see what we have on the monthly time frame here. It's pretty fucking strong candle here on the monthly. So, and we got some levels right. We got this 1618 right there, rejecting that right now. That's the 1618 of this manipulation leg. And we got 2125 right there, -25 here. So a few levels to the upside that we got. So rejecting the 1618, 22931. Sorry, 91375. Way too many levels to the downside. I need to get rid of some of them. Nice little rejection right there. Let me put 1.618. 2.15. 2.5. 2618, 749. 618. Let's see, just because those are the projections right there. So right now, biggest thing that I'm looking for is possibly a little retrace into this little range that we have created overnight, right? So from London low, from Asian low. Sorry, fucking hiccups, but from this Asian low to this London high, right? I'm looking at this range right here, seeing if possibly we come down to the 618. We got a flat bottom right there. See if price wants to get down here, and then we possibly see a nice little upside move from that. Just because of how we were selling and what we were doing, we don't have any volume imbalances, but Sunday is still flat, right? That Sunday open. Maybe a retest of this previous week high reject or breakout, and see what we want to do from there. 4 hour, same thing, 4 hour volume imbalance right there, actually. A big volume imbalance right here. So let's take a gander here. Maybe they give us this for our volume imbalance. 4 hour volume imbalance right here. Hourly right like that. So that we cover all of our bases, right? So we got that 4 hour imbalance. And that is 22.822, 22.82250 right there. And currently, at 22, 913.75, right? So if we can get above that 913.75, we can see a nice little run to the upside as a continuation. If not, then we're likely to see some downside from here. As you can see, we're seeing some nice selling happening right now. See if we potentially want to sweep this liquidity right here at 22.849.25, and then see a continuation up from there. This would line up pretty nicely with this 1618 right here, or the 618. If not, if they want to clear through this, even to tap into the 786, that would be almost pretty close to this 4-hour volume imbalance. So as long as they hold this previous week high and we don't see any displacement below that previous week high, we can see a nice continuation up. Right, that is on our equities. Let's see what we got on crypto. Not so fun. Right, we're seeing a little bit of a sell going into this session. LTC. Seen actually a big sell into on a lot of these names. Sheeb. Sheeb is seeing a retrace. So let me see. Sheeb, right. Previous day low sweep. Below the previous day equal. Could not displace above that. So we want to make sure that Sheeb holds this area in order for us to continue to the upside. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of get a little nasty probably. Sheeb. Let's see what else we got. Bonk, similar things. So a lot of these are rejecting that 200. Not something that we are huge fans of. That's rejecting that. Prom still seeing a nice run to the upside. ARC. ARK got filled. It's holding that. LPT selling. MNT is just not doing what we wanted it to. MNT Ape. So a lot of these are seeing a little bit of a retrace that we are not big fans of, but right, this is into the end of the month. Like we said, we want to see how they do, what they want to do out here with this end of the month candles. They're just kind of waiting to see what they do. This is not only the end of the month candles, but this is also new quarterly candles, right? So these sales are quite gross. See if they give us something on the 15-minute. Chilly guy. But I think that is about it on this little pre-market morning analysis. What is this? All right, get out of here. Yeah, I want to see some continuations up from here on some of these crypto names. Ethereum, I think, is rejecting. Yeah, Ethereum, same thing, right? Ethereum needs above this low level, this previous day high. If we can get above this area, the CISD right here, you can see how many wicks we've sent down below that. Looks a little fucking crazy. So above 2506 is what we want to see, or above this 2500 is what Ethereum needs in order for it to continue up. Bitcoin Bitcoin needs above this level right here, above this 108, in order to see a nice little continuation up as well. So those are the two big levels that we're watching on those names, right? On everything else, obviously it's seeing a little bit of a retrace, so we want to see some of these levels hold. These daily fair value gaps are big. If we sweep this, likely it's a fake low pump, and we get one more leg down. But on that, I think that will do it. Make sure you guys check out www.papertraders.io. It's the website. It's the go-to website if you are looking to check us out. Make sure you guys check out Blowfin. So the people that we use to trade those per pairs, as you see, you can use the code HASTE or you can use the code Eddie in order to get yourself a nice little initial sign-up bonus if you sign up. Make sure you use those codes. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page on www.papertraders.io and you'll find View Past Streams button. Press that button and you'll see all the past streams that we have done. You'll be able to check our track record, see what we've said in the past, see how it played out. Pretty cool concept right there. We're doing these streams twice a day. We're back on schedule. So 2 streams, one in the morning, a little pre-market analysis, one in the afternoon, as we kind of outline the trades that we took and see how those days closed and see how the new days are opening up. So make sure you guys are tuning in. Make sure you guys are checking that out. If you like this, make sure you share, give it a like, give it a little repost. Make sure you check out at a Hayes Beats. Let's get him to 3,000 followers. 3,000 followers, and we'll do a giveaway for a lifetime membership to those that are in stream. We'll give a lifetime giveaway to one lucky little person. To the paper traders, if we get me to 1,000 followers, check out that post at the top of my page. We'll do another lifetime membership giveaway. So make sure you guys repost that. Give that a little repost, and we'll get you set up. Trying to think of what else. If we get these streams to 500 viewers, concurrent viewers, we are going to do a little merch giveaway. So you wear a nice little shirt. Paper traders, we can give you a little hat. We can give you a little shirt. Whatever you want, whatever you prefer. We'll give that to you. Send it your way. Give you a little handwritten letter as thank you. But on that, thank you guys, and have a good day. Peace out.